Welcome to the spoken tutorial on forums and assignments in Moodle. In this tutorial, we will learn about different types of forums, how to add a forum for discussion, and how to create assignments. This tutorial is recorded using Ubuntu Linux OS 16.04, Apache, MariaDB, and PHP obtained through XAMPP 5.6.30, Moodle 3.3, and Firefox web browser. You may use any web browser of your choice. However, Internet Explorer should be avoided as it causes some display inconsistencies. This tutorial assumes that your site administrator has registered you as a teacher and assigned at least one course to you. It also assumes that you have uploaded some course material for your course. If not, please refer to the relevant Moodle tutorials on this website. To practice this tutorial, you will need to add a student to your course. To know how to add a student, please refer to the tutorial Users in Moodle. I have already added a student, Priya Sinha, to my course. Switch to the browser and log in to your Moodle site using the teacher login. Click on the Calculus course in the left navigation menu. Recall that we had added some course material and announcements earlier. Let us understand what are forums. Forums can be used by teachers and students for discussions and to exchange ideas, whereas announcements are posted by teachers only. Teachers supervise these discussions to ensure that guidelines are followed by all members. Now, we'll learn how to add a forum. Switch to the Moodle page. Click on the gear icon at the top right and then click on Turn Editing On. Click on Add an Activity or Resource link at the bottom right of the Comments section. Scroll down and select Forum in the Activity Chooser. Click on the Add button at the bottom of the Activity Chooser. Forum name will display as a link to the forum on the course page. I will type Interesting Web Resources on Evolutes and Involutes. Description can be used to explain the purpose of the forum to the students. I will type the text as shown here. Click on Display Description on Course Page checkbox below this text area. Next option is Forum Type. By default, Standard Forum for General Use is selected. There are 5 forum types in Moodle. Click on the Help icon next to the drop-down to read about the types of forums. Depending on your requirement, you can choose the forum type. I will select Standard Forum displayed in a blog-like format. Scroll down and click on Save and Display button at the bottom of the page. We are brought to a new page. Here, click on Add a New Topic button. I will type the subject and message as shown here. Rest of the options are similar to that of an announcement. Scroll down and click on Post to Forum button at the bottom of the page. A success message is displayed. Notice the message says that the author of the post can edit the post within 30 minutes. This, however, holds true only for non-teacher profiles. The teacher who is the moderator and creator of the course can edit and delete any post at any time. I will now log in as student Priya Sinha. We can then see how a student views this forum. Click on the forum name in the list of resources to see the discussions. As a student, I can either add a new topic or discuss this topic. Let me click on Discuss this topic link at the bottom right. Then click on the reply link. I will add a comment as shown. Scroll down and click on Post to Forum button at the bottom of the page. You can see the comment has been added to the end of this thread. Let me log in as teacher Rebecca again to see the comment posted by the student. Click on the name of the forum. Notice here, we can see one reply so far for this discussion topic. The actual message can be seen after clicking on Discuss this topic link at the bottom right. There is another option here named as Split. If the teacher feels the reply deserves a separate discussion, she can split the discussion. Splitting a discussion creates a new discussion. The new discussion and later posts in that thread will be moved to a new discussion thread. I will let it remain as it is. Let us go back to the calculus course. Next, we will learn how to create an assignment. Assignment in Moodle can be submitted online, which saves paper, enables students to include media files like audio, video, PowerPoint presentations, etc., and helps teachers to be unbiased by choosing to grade the students blindly. Let's go back to the browser. Turn editing on to add more resources. Click on Add an activity or resource link at the bottom right of the Basic Calculus section. Double-click on Assignment from the list to add a new assignment. Let me provide a name for the assignment as shown here. Next, describe the assignment in detail and mention what the students are expected to submit. This is a simple formatted text editor. You can include tables, images, etc. You can copy the text I have typed here from the assignmentresource.odt file. It is available in the code files link of this tutorial. Scroll down to see the availability section. Next, we will specify the date and time from which submissions can be made. Ensure Enable boxes checked. You can also use the calendar icon to select the date. I will set this as 25 November 2018. Then I will set due date as 15 December 2018. Click on the Help icon to find out the meaning of cutoff date and remind me to grade by date. Set them if required or disable if not required. I will disable them. Uncheck Always Show Description checkbox. If this field is enabled, then students can see the description of the assignment even before the Allow Submissions from date. Next is the Submission Types section. Decide if you want to allow students to submit online text or want them to only upload files. I will check both online text and file submissions. Depending on your requirement, you can choose either one or both the options. I will enable the word limit and enter 1000 here. You can specify the number of files each student can upload as well. Additionally, we can specify the maximum file size and the types of files we will accept. Please note, this will override the maximum file size set by the admin, which is 128 MB in our case. Click on the Help icon next to Accepted File Types. Here, we can read about the file types this field accepts. I will type .pdf, .docx, .doc here. Review the fields under Feedback Types and Submission Settings. You can enable or disable them based on your requirements. I have chosen the settings as shown. Now, scroll down and click on the Grade section to expand it. The maximum grade by default is 100. We will let this remain as it is. Then, I will enter the grade to pass as 40 and set blind marking to yes. This will hide the identity of the student from the evaluators. So now, as a teacher, I won't know which student has submitted which assignment, which invariably helps me to be unbiased while grading. Please note that blind marking setting cannot be changed for this assignment after any submission is made. There are various other settings for the assignment which you can explore on your own. Now, scroll down and click on Save and Display button. You can see some statistics about the assignment here and a link to view all submissions and grade. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned about different types of forums, how to add a forum, and how to create assignments. Here is a small assignment for you. Add a reply to the forum discussion created earlier. Split the discussion from this reply onwards. Create an assignment that accepts only online text submissions. Refer to the assignment link of this tutorial for details. The video at the following link summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown. This script has been contributed by Nancy and Priyanka. And this is Nancy Workey along with the Spoken Tutorial team signing off. Thanks for joining.